Good morning, guys. It's the 4th of December 2019. We're Signal Centre and we're talking ball. I'm Joe Neighbour and I'm joined by Ian Coleman and Steve O'Hare.
Hello.
Hi guys.
What's good?
All good in the hood. You?
Bin
Yeah.
dippers in the news this morning.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Liverpool fans?
Yeah, Trevor Sinclair made a absolutely outrageous comment last night about bin dippers were coming for you, and later followed up with a tweet saying, "Calm down, lads. It's a joke," and then has been apologising this morning.
I was going to say he'll be apologising for the next week on the back of that one.
A lot longer than that, I think. That they'll be gunning for him. You know,
Yeah.
it's
So
not a
not
nice
a
thing to
bunch
say.
of people you want to upset, is it?
No, I think he's just he's obviously very sorry,
Yeah.
but that doesn't really help matters.
No.
It's just rude, mate.
Yeah, so rude. Right.
Congratulations, Joe. He's in 10 years today.
10 years
Oh,
wedding
well done
anniversary.
you.
Yeah.
10 years.
Don't know how she's put up with it.
Is
I
that
don't
hence
know either.
the special holiday? Is that
Yeah.
sort of 10-year celebration? Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely.
Christmas on the beach
Nice.
this year.
Lovely.
Looking forward to it.
Yeah.
Okay. So how did we do yesterday? Let's have a look. Ian, you were the winner yesterday.
I must have been a winner. It's like oil's up this morning. I must have been a winner.
Timing might have been a little bit off, I think.
Yeah, timing and the fact that the pockets weren't deep enough for me.
Yeah. So overall, the equity from the sort of collective is looking really good.
Yeah.
17.5%.
Lovely.
Yeah, so very nice indeed. So Ian, you were
That's 17R then basically for people
17.
there.
Yeah.
So we're risking 1%, aren't we?
That's right. Yeah.
Not too shabby for what? When did we start? 29th October.
This is the 26th episode today.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's only a joke. This is only a joke. This isn't real. We're only having a laugh. Do not follow these trades.
I'll show everybody your October P&L on the real stuff. Then they can make their mind up.
Yeah.
When I was on holiday.
Yeah, absolutely went mental in October.
Yeah.
50R or something, wasn't it?
50R seems like a long time ago, though. I don't know what I fell into on the 1st of October, but it's definitely rubbed off now.
I might have a couple of weeks off start January then, just so that you can get
please do
a decent start to the year.
Yeah, we got to get some P&L back. Hey, take the rest of the month.
Okay, so Ian, it's your honour today.
Okay.
Based on your win on Euro Yen yesterday, which was 2.65R.
It only hit the target overnight, didn't it? It pulled back a little bit.
Yeah.
At the close, you jinxed it late on, didn't you? Which was nice of you. I'm going to talk about the dollar index to start with. So that's that impulsive move to the downside. I now don't want to be selling dollars down around these levels. There's a lot of dollar-based majors that are seeing a bit of a turnaround, especially Aussie dollar. And I think this is just a little spike lower to get the last washout. I was thinking about buying just the dollar index, but I'm not going to. I'm going to go gold. So if dollar index goes up, corrects up, I don't think it's going to be a rally. Then gold should move to the downside. If we go to the gold chart, I've got a few things here. That I believe is medium-term support, which is 1453. I don't think you're going to get through that. But if you go to this chart, which is the 240-minute chart, 4-hour chart, we're just stalling at the channel top. If we move to the side, this sort of area has been support and resistance, so I think it's quite pivotal. If we go to this chart, which is the 60-minute chart, 1-hour chart, we've got a 261.8% fib up here. Oh, it's moving low already.
Quick.
I know.
Hurry up.
Stop waffling. You've got 11 count on the D-mark again, which I'm fanatical about. I don't think you're going to get too far today, probably 1466. So I'm selling around about here, 1482, 1466 target, and we'll have a stop of $5. So about 3.2 risk reward. That's me.
Cool.
Lovely. Well done.
I'm taking a look at Bitcoin again today.
Oh, you joking me?
Seriously, is that
just
your
found-
trade?
Yeah, go on then. All right. Let's see. I bet it's not as much R as mine.
So this is the chart I've got. So we looked at it last week, and I was looking at its head and shoulders bottom, and it had a nice push higher. What we've seen now is a corrective move, gone past the neckline towards the 78.6%.
You love that
retracement.
fib, don't you?
I do. It's one of my favourite ones. To be honest, I only really look at 61.8 and 78.6. So you've got that deep throwback. You've flushed out a lot of people that would have been excited by this. And now I think we can start heading higher again. So I'm looking to buy it today at 71.74 with a stop at 70.55 and a target of 76.40.
Good.
So 4.5 R.
Love it. I love how bad that trade idea is.
What was you going to do? Sell it?
Yeah, I'm selling it, mate.
Okay, let's do it.
Perfect. Let's see.
Duel. Trading
It's like
duels.
a draw. It's like gun to the head. It's like quick on the draw.
Quick draw McGraw.
Right. Let me share my screen with you and just show you what I'm just keeping it really
26
simple.
pips on side already now after that.
Oh, really? Are you?
It's
I'm
about
just
0.1 of an R.
Yeah, I'm not even gonna go too much into this. It's like we've had 3 negative days. There's your little head and shoulders on the daily chart. It's piffle paffle,
nothing.
mate.
Yeah.
And a bit of an indecisive inside day yesterday. We've broken lower this morning. It's ticked a little bit lower, and I'm going to go for the big sell-off. I think if we do get a rally in equities today, that's probably what it's based on. Equities has rallied back yesterday quite hard. I think if we do get a bit of follow through today, a little bit of gold and Bitcoin probably sell off a little bit. Although on the intraday basis, gold is probably more as well driven by dollar, so that could be a bit of a mixed bag really. But Bitcoin is the one I think will be the big loser. So what's the price trading now?
72.02.
Right. And I'm going to keep
04, 05, 10.
a really
20.
tight stop. Get out of it.
Moving market.
I'm going to go 74.02. Yeah. So only a 200 pip stop, which is quite tight in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Target is going to be 5,500. So 8.5 R.
Was that a noise saying you can't do it? It's too much R.
Ooh. Come on, let's have it.
Yeah.
I was actually going to have a 10 tick stop, but the spread's 50 ticks, so I can't do that. Or 30 ticks. The spread's 30 ticks, so I can't do that.
Okay.
So there's my trade. There's the winner. Winner, chicken dinner. See you later, guys.
Yeah.
Have we had any news overnight about sort of elections, what the polls are? Because I've seen a decent move of hiring cable first thing this morning.
Yes, there's been a widening according to some polls saying that Conservatives are
I think they're 9 points
further in the lead. Yeah,
is it 9 points? Is that further? I haven't been keeping the track.
So there's an opinion poll indicated a slightly larger Conservative Party lead compared to the previous week's survey. So
I'm wary of that. I think
cable
Euro
6 weeks high.
Yeah, Euro sterling looks like a wedge. Break higher. Got Canadian. Well, got non-ISM manufacturing today, haven't we?
There's quite a lot out actually.
The non-ISM might be quite lively.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock again, isn't it? And then we got Bank of Canada again expected to stay on hold at 1.75, and all about the statement, I think, again, like last time. And then we've got a press conference actually at 4:15. So
for that, we've got ADP, which is obviously the precursor to Friday's number, non-farm payroll. So that's expected to be 138,000 jobs being created from a month earlier. Sorry, from 125k a month earlier. And then obviously services PMI, then non-manufacturing PMI at 3, then oil inventories at 330. So quite a busy day.
Can I just share my screen? Just show this. I'm not calling this trade, but if
it's going to be one of those, I told you so.
Yeah,
but I didn't call
a double
contingency trade.
No, it's dollar CAD, 9 days mixed trading. I don't know what oil's been up to, but I think what's quite interesting here is that it does look like a channel, and we've got some support at 3248. And if you go to this time frame, it's a very messy chart, I do apologize, but that channel base, if you do just get a spike lower, is right next to that bespoke support. So I'm just wondering, 1, 2, 3, 61.8%, down in 4 to complete, and then up in 5. Maybe
Indeed.
Oil hasn't really done a lot. Obviously, I've been trying to buy oil, and it keeps just dipping lower, but it's back up above where I was trying to buy it. So it's just sort of sideways last few days.
Yeah.
Equity market's still getting hit, aren't they?
Yeah, they did, but they obviously late last night they had a decent bounce back. I think there's a big level in S&P's around 3,100 from an options perspective.
Yeah.
Just below that now, but it was obviously trading at 30.65 yesterday afternoon. So it looked like it could, but them option levels are quite like magnets. They sort of seem to attract the prices back to it.
Yeah.
So they're sort of like Nasdaq sort of like nice bullish hammer on there. Well, sort of morning star formation on that.
DAX looking
just pushing higher again.
Bit rosier this morning.
Yeah.
Sort of flush out overnight. The only one that's not is FTSE, but I think that's down to the fact that cable's pushing on.
Yeah, that's sort of negative for FTSE.
Yeah.
The other things, the Chinese foreign minister speaking this morning, not setting any timeline or deadline for a trade deal with the US. That knocked the stocks down.
Well, they're saying, Trump apparently said it might be better to wait until after the 2020 election.
Yeah. So,
but then Beijing are also suggesting that he's backpedaling a bit on the trade deal. So maybe the ball has sort of shifted into China's court.
Yeah.
He maybe pushed it too far.
Yeah, I mean, I think they're sort of like they seem to. I mean, they had a couple of good figures, so they seem to be quite resilient to the trade deal. And obviously, he's talking about putting 100% tariff on champagne, isn't he, or something? France.
Champagne, cheese, and handbags.
As long as it's not Prosecco, because then I really would be bankrupt.
No, if it was Prosecco, it wouldn't be France, mate. It'd be Italy. As long as it's not, anything that we drink, that's fine. Do what you want, mate. Handbags, that'll cost me a fortune.
No cheese.
Yeah, but handbags, that'll cost me a fortune. I don't know what Chloe will do. She'll sort of be, she'll be in tears. She won't be able to get up for work.
Oh, no.
But Johnson had a good meeting with Trump.
Apparently
that was a right laugh.
Yeah.
The market PMIs all out this morning. The German came in a little bit better than expected.
I did it.
Yeah. Came out just 3 minutes ago, 51.7. It was expected at 51.3, same as last time.
Okay, that's decent.
Yeah. So
it promises to be an exciting day. I think there's going to be quite a bit of movement. Obviously, be careful when you're trading, because although the volatility can be good, it can also kill you at the same time. So,
like Joe said in the blog the other day, or in the chat, don't try and just jump on these trades when they're looking overstretched.
Yeah,
like I did yesterday.
Fear of missing out, Steve likes
saying,
don't you?
Are you stopped out on your Bitcoin yet, Joe? What were you stop?
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. Yeah. All right, lovely. I like
that.
All right.
Enjoy. Have a good one.
Cheers.
Speak to you all tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye. See you later.